Namaskaram. I am glad to participate and share my thought on this occasion. The Upanishad says, Satyam Vada, Dharmanchara. I find a great semblance with these words and the purpose of this profession, chartered accountancy. Satyam Vada would mean speak the truth. Dharmanchara is larger than that. Be responsible, be transparent, walk the righteous way. In earlier days, it was proper accounting, bookkeeping, which most of the chartered accountants were focusing. But that's not the case anymore. It's all more about governance, responsibility, wealth creation, transparency, social responsibility, investors' responsibility, and nation building. So from Satyam Vada, we have developed to Dharmanchara. I am sure that in the coming days, this institute and all the great members of this institute will take this as a noble profession, contribute their best to build this nation and a great world, which we should, of course, give it to our coming generations. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu, Samasta San Mangalani Santu. Not just stopping with smaller objectives, lesser objectives. Instead, we have to thrive for great things. More than a short-term profit, one has to create wealth and make it available to one and all, to remove poverty, to bring everyone to build this nation. I pray once again for this institute, Vardhatam, Abhivardhatam, and all the members to be blessed. Thank you again for inviting me. So let's remember Satyam Vada and Dhyanan Dharmanchara.